So this is Vietnamese iced matcha.
I'm supposed to sit like this for 10 minutes till my oh my god, the screen of my camera is basically gone. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gauri Bhasin and today I am super tired. Now the thing is, I haven't gotten a head massage done in a very long time, and I'm also going to a cafe with my mom later on. So we are going to do all of that together. Okay, this is my fit. I'm literally just wearing a hoodie with jeans and my hair are tied up because they look very weird. Also, it's raining very heavily outside. Even though the salon is pretty close, I don't know if बारिश में मतलब मैं जा भी पाऊंगी वहाँ तक. I'm gonna try though. Also, my room is a whole mess, but we're gonna clear it up after I come back because I really need to get out of the house. I'm like if you know me, you know I need to get out of the house at least once a day, but now I will lose my mind. I go get very irritated. Anyways, let me just accessorize, and I don't think I should do my skincare. Wait. If I'm getting a head massage done, should I do my skincare? Basic skincare like just serum and yeah. Oh my god, the screen of my camera is basically gone.
This experience every month.
नो, पर बारिश के टाइम पे जो मैगी खाने का मज़ा है वो हर महीने नहीं आएगा.
Enjoy.
I'm supposed to sit like this for 10 minutes till my hair cool down, and then I'm gonna go get a hair wash. Why do I look whitewashed? I'm trying to make like a small vlog for maybe.
No, I'll shoot both.
No, I'll just keep. Okay. I need a cover desperately. There is no cover. There's no cover to this phone, and I am so scared that someday it's just gonna drop. And I am protecting.
Told you like it.
I'm protecting this phone with my life. So this is Vietnamese iced matcha.
Let's try matcha. To make a video. Is it really good?
Not very good, but it's good. Wait. It's sweet. It's not too strong. Matcha is usually stronger than this, but it's sweet. घास मिला दी है बीच में कॉफी. Papa has joined the vlog, everyone. Papa, say hi.
Hi.
We're going to grab.
Pizza.
Grab.
Going to Ibiza.
We're
gonna have a party.
Ooh, ये क्या था?
Something like that she does in the song. I don't know.
Anyhow, we are going to grab some burgers because Dad's really craving burger.
No, Papa is not.
Burger.
Gauri is.
I don't want to have burger.
तो फिर ठीक
What
है
do you want to
वापस
have,
चलें।
Gauri, then?
Nothing.
मैं ले ले इससे यार आगे रोकता हूँ मैं जहाँ मेरे को रोकने मिलता है।
हाँ.
We are here at Bikaji. After a very long discussion of where we should eat, we ended up at Bikaji. We have ordered Pani Puri, Delhi Wali. We don't like Mumbai ki Pani Puri, none of us do. We like Golgappe proper Delhi ke. And we have ordered Bhalle Papdi, I think. Yeah, I think this clip is going to be proof that my whole family is from North. In Golgappe, in case you don't know, it's always with aloo and not with ragda. And these are suji ki puris, not the regular ones that you get in Mumbai. And I'm too used to eating these, so I can't go back.
ये ठीक
Next is Bhalle Papdi. Oh, also, I'm thinking of ordering Vietnamese coffee जो Nescafe ने launch किया है, and I want to try it. And I'll let you guys know कि if it's very similar to the one I had in Vietnam or the one I got back or not. I think that's a very good way to compare it. ये I think है, यही था ना? But यार ये तो बना हुआ है, मेरे को तो सैशे चाहिए.
सेशन नहीं होगा ना.
बना हुआ ही मंगाओ.
नहीं.
We're going to Citrus Cafe Lemon Tree to grab a cafe latte because this lady only likes वहाँ का cafe latte. So now we're going all the way to.
It's on the way.
It's
No, it's not on.
A little diversion.
a little diversion नहीं है,
अच्छा ठीक है.
but we're going. अभी और कोई choice
तो बंद
नहीं
कर
है.
लूँ सुप्री।
तो गौरी हूँ मैं.
No, no, no.
नहीं, ये बंद नहीं हो रहा है.
ये तो खुला है.
इसका पॉइंट ही खुला रहने का है. हमने इतना जिद करके तो ये लिया है. हमारी एक ही ये थी, ऑटोमेटिक होनी चाहिए गाड़ी और
गौरी
ये सनरूफ होना चाहिए.
तेरी ड्रीम कार थी
मेरी
कितने
ड्रीम
साल से?
थी. मेरे को बचपन से आई वांटेड अ पैनोरामिक सनरूफ. बचपन से आई वांटेड इट, स्पेशली सनरूफ. We just ordered what orange mojito?
मोहितो
An orange mojito, and Mama is having an extra hot cafe latte. Where these bougie people come from, now I'll never understand.
From the bougie cafe next to.
Oh god, if you don't know that joke, it's a viral meme that I'm gonna show you right now. I really like that like meme, it is so funny. And actually Bougie Cafe collaborated with that girl. It was so funny, oh my god.
So Gauri just said where this bougie cafe is. It just next to bougie cafe.
Yera, the girl I found.
Oh, you look like you're from the village. Everybody's from the village, Shania. Do you think your ancestors were born in Bandra next to Bougie Cafe? Eating avocado toast?
Yes.
Don't disrespect somebody else just because you reached the cities faster. We are Indians. Obviously, we're from villages. Oh my god. Oh, you look like you're from the...
Bro, if you know her, please tell her she needs to pin this reel. It is so good.
So basically, when Gauri said that where did the bougie people came from, so I said next to bougie cafe. So this is the context.
This is the context to I'm loving my hair. I usually always go for texture, like you know, with some kind of wave. ये सब करवाती हूँ मैं. मेरे को बहुत आदत है और मुझे बहुत शौक है. Typical Indian dad walk.
We just had 2 weeks ago.
Look at him go.
What are your typical Indian mom traits which I have?
Yeah, what?
Typical Indian mother traits which I have.
If I try to act pricey or something, she'll get very pissed in front of anyone. Like, don't do this. Don't give me this attitude. One tight slap, I'll get with you. You will shut up.
That I do.
She's a sobo Indian mom. Her behavior is a sobo Indian mom in simple short terms.
Sometimes Punjabi too.
कभी-कभी वो बहुत rarely but majorly sobo Mumbai mom. She just sent a coffee back because it wasn't the usual cup that they serve the coffee in, and now she's inspecting it also. Look at her. Look at that lady. She's literally standing over there and seeing if they are getting her the right cup.
If she'll make the mistake second time, so she should not make it. My coffee will get thanda.
This is the family I'm born into. And then people expect me to be very nonchalant. What have you ordered, Papa?
Masala chai.
What have you ordered?
मसाला चाय. We are Punjabis.
Everyone is having something different. I am having a
तू दस.
orange mojito. She is having a cafe latte extra hot. My dad is having masala chai. We should actually be on a TV show. Like हमारे आसपास अगर cameras होते ना पूरा time
Comedy हो रही थी.
crazy viral हो रही होती है अभी मैं.
और भी एक दो आए थे. भेजे थे.
It's so good. So we ordered this glass specifically. They don't usually give it in this glass. So we really like glasses and we're very used to having things in good glasses at home. So जब बाहर आके अच्छी glass में कुछ नहीं मिलता है, it is just not acceptable to my mother. So she'll make sure that it comes in a good glass or else it doesn't come at the table at all. Hi guys, I just got back and my room is a complete mess. But we're gonna fix that. I am a little tired honestly and I don't really want to do all of this. But I don't really have a choice. So I think let's get to cleaning. And I really want to start with the bed because I need to sleep over there and उसकी हालत बिल्कुल नहीं है कि कोई सो सकेगा. I have lost all my motivation. I am in no mood to clean this and that. But good thing I cleaned the entire bed. I'm so proud of myself. I'm just gonna end this vlog right here because I don't think I'll be able to clean कुछ भी और. नहीं हिम्मत ही नहीं है. Anyways, thank you so much for watching guys. I love you. Bye.